Is your business based on content creation, and are you having a hard time creating enough content so that you're not only relevant on multiple platforms, but that you're able to easily distribute it everywhere? Okay, guys, I have to show you a tool I just found. It's amazing, and I would never ever recommend something that I didn't 100% believe was a complete and total game changer. So it's not a secret that YouTube has changed the algorithm so that short videos are more heavily attributed than longer videos. But what you can do with a short video is at the end of the short video, it'll give you an option to add a related video. So one experiment I am running on this new channel, The Business Cowgirl, is I'm using shorts to redirect to the long videos. And one way that I'm doing this is that I am using an AI tool called Opus Clip to actually create these short videos for me. So all I have to do is upload my long video into, either I can upload it or add just the live YouTube link to Opus Clip. And what it'll do is it'll spit out a bunch of pre-curated short videos, not only with the text, with highlighted text, but also with emojis and all other, fun, cool stuff that has been really cool. And to be honest with you, I've been able to do all of this on their free plan, because one of the other things that I think is really important about software is you have to test it and play around with it before you actually invest with it. I know that as a technical, I'm a digital architect. So as a technical architect, it seems kind of counterintuitive. I should be over here in the corner being like, use software, do the technology thing. But to be honest with you, I think that there's a lot of software out there that says it does one thing, and then it really does another thing. And then when you use it, you're like, oh, okay, this actually doesn't work for me. And either, then this is how you end up with crazy recurring charges that you didn't know you were going to get, and like all the stuff that happens with that. So having a free program that you can test out your theories on, see what it does, see what the bang for the buck is completely unparalleled when it comes to this tool. So right now, we are on my dashboard, and if I uploaded a video here, or if I put a YouTube link in here, it would upload it in one simple click. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use one of the videos that I've already. Oh, you need to move me around. I'm going to use one of the videos that I've already gotten shorts for, and one of the reasons for this is because say this is a 20-minute video, it takes a little bit of time to spit these out, because what AI does is it assesses the whole video. And what it'll do is it'll come up with shorts where they create kind of a hook story offer format. And when you use the upgraded version, because you can use do a free trial on the upgraded version, it will give you a virality score, meaning when they make these videos, it'll tell you, okay, like we think this one's going to do better than this one. Now, for me, since I have a marketing background, I know that you cannot test content through AI, because one thing that's always been certain about marketing is that it's emotional, and it's really hard to know what emotion is really going to hit with someone. So I just test all of them. I test every single one that they spit out, even if they gave it a crappy virality score. And one of the reasons is because you never know what words in what order is going to resonate with someone and completely change the way they think about. For this 20-minute video, though, it spit out 17 shorts. So, and they all have, here, let's see.
So businesses tend to forget that those little numbers they're looking at is really a real life human being with emotions and problems and.
So as you can see, it has the text, it has the highlighted version of the text, which is important for two reasons. One, because it's visually pleasing, and two, because a lot of people watch short videos on silent. And so if you don't have the captions already ready to go, there's a chance that people won't watch the video if they can't hear it. And that's just because a lot of people are listening to videos in public now. So as you can see, though, every single one of them has, and then on the right-hand side, this is the script, meaning these are the clips from the longer video strung together to create a mini message, if you will, from the long videos. One thing that I do in addition, and I'll just give you guys this little tidbit, is one thing I do in addition is after I record the video, I will record a 10-second, like, hey, if you found this short video helpful, click the link below. The long video's right there waiting for you, so on and so forth. If you've seen any of my short videos, which chances are you'll see one of like a short video like this about this video, the point is that what I'll do is I'll take what Opus Clip created and then I will tack on my ending so that it encourages people to watch the longer video. That's just my 2 cents though. And again, of course, this is something I'm testing with the Business Cowgirl YouTube page. So as that YouTube channel grows, this is going to become solidified fact instead of just a theory I have running on, this utilizing short content to feed your long form content. But by far, this is the easiest tool I've ever used. All you have to do is create your video, edit your video, and then upload your video, and it does absolutely the rest. And all you have to do is download it. And what I do is then I upload it into Canva, add my personalized ending on the end of it, and upload it. That's literally all you need. So anyway, this is by far one of the coolest AI tools for content marketing that I have found on the internet today. So I am sharing, there is a link down below. If you do use my link, then you buy me a cup of coffee, or actually one of these things, because these are my favorite. But at the end of the day, whether you use my link or not, I highly, highly recommend you try this AI software. It's just a bonus if you want to, throw me a little kickback for being the source of the information. Anyway, though, I hope that all you solopreneurs out there who are completely and totally overwhelmed by content creation think this is amazing, because frankly, I think that this is going to completely change the game. Not only are you going to be able to put these shorts out on YouTube to redirect to longer videos, but you can use these for Instagram Reels, you can use these on Pinterest. So the sky is the limit with what you can do with these curated short videos, which of course takes none of your time, because all you have to do is put the link in. Like, I can't, just try it, see what happens. All right, guys. So I hope you have, it's almost New Year. So depending on when you're seeing this video, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year.